Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Dr. Neelima Kamra, Principal of KIIT World School, Gurugram, shared her views on the role of artificial intelligence in education and its future impact. She emphasized the importance of teacher training and infrastructure to prepare students for 21st century learning. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Dr. Neelima Kamra had to say.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us a very special guest. She is Dr. Nilima Kamra, Principal, KIIT World School, Gurugram. So, welcome to the summit, ma'am. And first of all, how's your experience being here?
I enjoyed it thoroughly. The platform given to me was as a moderator for the panel discussion one, where
Right.
we were talking about the learning made personalized by the help of AI, and the speakers were wonderful. I
Um,
enjoyed it.
that's great to hear, ma'am. So, as we're talking about AI and the national education policy is very much looking forward towards incorporating more and more of technology. So, how do you think it will take us to the future, and how relevant it is for schools to adopt the AI?
I would say that
Hmm.
the four-wall classrooms won't exist.
Right.
It will be teacher
Mm-hmm.
or other facilitator,
Right.
student,
Mm-hmm.
and the AI will be the future of the country.
Absolutely. So, how do you think schools can, adopt the technology and make sure that teachers are trained enough to, have, just uh, teach the
Prepared
students,
for the
yes, prepare the
yeah.
students for the 21st century
Right.
learning along with the, use of technology. So, how can we prepare our teachers for that?
Very good question.
Mm-hmm.
Right? If we wish to see our country as a
Mm-hmm.
center of learning hub in
Right.
2027,
Mm-hmm.
28, or 2030, what we need to focus is on the training of the teacher,
Right.
infrastructure,
Mm-hmm.
and making sure that the available technology
Mm-hmm.
should be there. And foremost important thing is that we have to focus on equity, we
Right.
have to focus on innovation,
Mm-hmm.
we need to focus on quality of education,
Right.
which can be done only through the training of teachers which are ready for future Gen Z generation which we are dealing with. And we know very well that
Mm.
it's mandatory under NEP 2020 also 50 hours of training of teachers.
Right.
But according to me, minimum 100 hours of training is needed every day because we are digital immigrants. And if we have to teach digital
Hmm.
natives, we have to come up to them.
Right, absolutely. Any specific thing you want to, highlight about your school? Any specific technology or awareness program that you have launched at your school,
Right.
which is helping in transforming the teacher's journey as well as of students?
Right. If you have touched a topic where I can speak for hours, being a teacher,
Right.
but I would focus on three or four things only.
Mhm.
Our motto is I am a promise, I am a possibility.
Okay.
Each child has its own unique
Hmm.
potential. We need to give conducive environment
Right.
where the child can bloom. Second thing which we advocate is grade,
Okay.
which we talk of not
Hmm.
marks,
Hmm.
which we don't talk of ABCD.
Right.
We do not talk of credits here,
Okay.
where we talk of G as gratitude. So we must say thanks to our parents.
Hmm.
We must thanks to our teacher. We must thank to our peers. We must thank to our God for a lovely day, for our beautiful moments. R for regularity. In life makes you successful. That's very, very important. A stands for attitude of
Hmm.
positivity. When we are positive, we circulate those vibes only. We
Right.
talk of D, which says dutifulness.
Hmm.
And we do not just see our rights, we see our duties also. E stands for etiquettes of ethics. So what we circulate comes back to us only. And we have wall of kindness, which works with the society,
Hmm.
whether opening our library, whether
Hmm.
opening our playground for society, whether taking care of health checkups, whether taking of each one plant, each tree, We do all those drive through that because we believe in creating a human being rather than just numbers and grades. That's our motto.
That's great to hear, ma'am. And I'm sure that with schools like yours, the country would be a better place to live in.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. And thanks again for coming to the summit. Thank you.
Thank you. Lovely meeting with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp for updates on the EduLeaders show, featuring inspiring interviews from the education sector.